Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Hi Gemini, 8 sign. This is February monthly reading and this is general, may or may not resonate to everyone. So take what resonate and leave the rest. Energy could be vice versa, guys. So let's see what's going and what are the messages for you. Gemini, Queen of Cups. Someone have so much love for you. Nine of Cups. Lot of water energy. Wow, Six of Cups, reconciliation, wish fulfillment. Good start. Sorry guys, 1 minute. Okay. Under the deck, 8 of Cups, separation right now. Maybe you walked away from this person, from this connection, because there is no equal give and take. Maybe they are in and out of your life. Maybe they're playing games with you. Maybe they are non-committal to you. It could be any reason. That's why you walked away. So let's see your reading. King of Cups, Nine of Cups and Six of Cups. Yeah, someone has so much love for you. They're coming back. For some, you already reconciled with your person. If not, they're coming back. Yeah, you are also wishing for this because you both have strong soulmate and past life connection with each other. Six of Cups, reconciliation. It is going to be happen, if not happened right now. For some, you already reconciled with your person. For some, it is going to be. So, yeah, they have so much love for you because King of Cups is here. And your wishes are going to be granted. Nine of Cups, wish fulfillment. So right now what is going between you and your person? Five of Wands, the Empress and King of Wands. I think you both are very grounded because the Empress and King of Wands, and there is a lot of passion. And you both stand by your power. I think for some there are some ego problems also, big ego problems also, because you both are equal in all terms. And that's why there is a lot of ego problems, a lot of drama is going right now between. Okay, you will take first move. I don't take that type of energy, that type of ego I am getting here. And in near future, High Priestess, Queen of Cups, the Magician. Yeah, you are in manifesting energy. Your wishes are going to be granted. Yeah, Magician. So what you are wishing for is going to be granted, Gemini. February month. It is very, very powerful month for you. And you have still strong emotions for your person. And you are very caring and giving person. And you are trusting your intuition and your higher guides with you. Yeah. You have to trust your intuition if you have any confusion. And Queen of Cups with the Magician. Yeah, you are manifesting love. Maybe someone. Definitely they are coming back. So the person involved in this connection, lot of water energy, Pisces, Cancer, Scorpio, or fire energy, Aries, Leo, Sagittarius. But lot of water energy, separation. So let's see your person current feelings and the near future actions towards you. Then we will get more clarity what's going on. High Priestess, definitely your person also listening to their intuition. I think this is destinated connection. Maybe universe want to be, universe want you both, universe want to be united, you both want to be united, and universe also want the same thing with you. Okay, Princess of Swords. That's why the intuition, because inner voice means your higher self. So your higher selves also want, if you are in separation, you both will be reunited soon, because so your person thinking, yeah, they're missing you so much, because Nine of Swords, Nine of Wands and Princess of Wands, they may be spying on you, some communication. And Nine of Swords with Nine of Wands, they're thinking about you a lot. They're missing you so much, Gemini. And when they are alone, especially at night times, they're thinking about you a lot. Maybe they are in some depression and anxiety energy. Yeah. But this connection is very destinated connection. So yeah, very strong bond between both of you. So the near future actions towards you. Ooh. Seven of Swords. See, here this card is popped out. Yeah, they're suffering in silence because they did something wrong to you. Seven of Swords energy and King of Pentacles. Now they're realizing your worth. They're missing you so much. They're coming back to offer stability to this connection. King of Pentacles, they really want to offer stability, and they know they did wrong. That's why they're suffering in silence. They're obsessed with you. Maybe your person very dominative in this connection. This is on and off connection also. And they're obsessed with you. And the person involved in this connection could be Capricorn also. So the person involved in this connection could be Capricorn, Virgo, Taurus, Gemini, Libra, Aquarius, or Aries, Leo, Sagittarius. Yeah, they're coming back to offer stability. And they're missing you so much. They're thinking about you a lot. Gemini. So let's see. Let's pull some cards from universe where this connection is headed on and outcome. Clarification card. I want one clarification for 7 of... Yeah. Temperance, they're patiently waiting for you because the person involved in this connection could be Sagittarius also. Yeah. They also invested in this connection and patiently waiting for you, and they want to express their true feelings because 4 of Pentacles straight. Yeah. They are opening up. They will open up in near future, but they're patiently waiting for you. And under the deck, Queen of Cups, Princess of Cups. Yeah. They have emotions for you and they now getting clarity. But it's up to you. They're coming back. Yeah, stability. This is the outcome. Wow. 2-time Temperance card. I think patience is the key for this connection. And 8 of Pentacles. Yeah, there is lot of work to do. You both have to do a lot of work regarding this connection. And 8 of Pentacles, they are ready to work on this relationship. And I think your money is good, Gemini. You are creating more money. So Temperance, 2 times the Temperance card. So what I'm getting here, in divine timing, everything is going to be fine. Definitely there is stability is coming, but you have to be patient. You have to be balanced. I think balance is coming in this connection. Yeah. Going to be next level. This connection is going to be next level. And let's see your overall energy for the month, Gemini. Patience is the key here because Temperance, balance. Yeah, everything about stability, restore balance. So let's see your overall energy. 10 of Cups. Yeah, this happiness is coming in your way. 6 of Pentacles. There is no equal give and take, but it is coming. Maybe you're juggling. Yeah, there is no contact. Yeah, they're coming back for second chance. Maybe you cut them off in past, but now they're coming back. And 2 of Pentacles. Yeah, you're juggling, but they're coming back. Maybe you are juggling between head over heart. That type of situation you are right now. But don't worry, because the stability is coming in and this happiness is also. So let's see you under the deck, Princess of Wands. Maybe they're spying on you. They want to send some message, some communication. So let's see your person overall energy for the month. Gemini. Yeah, separation. They're feeling sad for the missed opportunity with you. They have strong emotions. Yeah, maybe they're scared that you decided to move on because death for some it is ending for some, but it is not what you are seeing. I think the stability is coming. Yeah, your person undergoing some transformation. They have strong emotion. They're feeling sad. There is separation, guys, between you and your person. So what I'm seeing here, they know they did something wrong to you because 7 of Swords is in this energy is very sneaky, but they realize your worth. That's why they're coming back to offer stability. I think stability to 10 of Pentacles 2 times. Stability is coming, but patience is the key. What I'm getting here. So let's see some messages from Moon Oracle deck for you. 2 cards. Gemini. Confidence is your key to success. So if you want to achieve anything in your life, first you have to be confident. If you are attending any meetings, whatever you are doing right now, if you add confidence to that, then it will become more easy to achieve anything, because confidence is your key to success. This is the message from universe. Be confident, and if you want to achieve any goal in your life, be confident and be consistent. Okay, so this is the message from universe. So this is the reading for you guys. Hope it resonates to you. Please do share, like and subscribe my channel and click the bell icon, then you will get notification. So thank you so much for watching and supporting me. Bye.